Hi everyone, it's Liza. Welcome to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. Today I want to talk to you about two of my tried and true products that are in my makeup wardrobe. And by the way, they have been recommended by my dermatologist, who, by the way, has great skin. I asked him the last time I was in for my skin check. Remember, gals, please go in and get skin checked for skin cancer. It's real, it's true. 1 in 10 of us will get it. Okay, I'm off the soapbox. But when I was talking to my dermatologist, I asked him, what two products would you recommend and which do you use? Because that's really what I want to get at. Because if he uses it, then I need to be using it as well. So let's get started. The first one is called a Tinted Elta MD Skincare UV Daily Broad Spectrum SPF 40. So it's very sheer and lightweight. It has that hyaluronic acid. It has transparent zinc oxide. And most importantly, it has the UVA and UVB protection. And it's a moisturizing facial sunscreen. So as you ladies know, my skin is super dry. So this product goes on beautifully. It has a pump. I love a pump. It's kind of thick and it blends in beautifully. I usually wear this after I've washed my face and put on my toner. I will put this on next if I'm going to be outside in the elements or just running around town, because the tint adds a little color and it blends beautifully. So I have used this product for over 6 years and I really get sunburn. I have super sensitive, pretty white skin. And you know what? I want to do better with my skin. You know, I have sunburned my face. I've gotten blisters on my face back in, my youth. And I loved it all. And I enjoyed being with my friends in the sun with my album with aluminum foil sitting by the pool. But those days are over. Like I said, I wouldn't change those times. But today I want to do better. Skin cancer is real. It's happened to many friends of mine, and they've had to have surgery to take it off their face and their back. So please go in to your dermatologist and have a skin check. So the second product is Skinmedica TNS Essential Serum. Well, you know I love a serum. This is a product I use twice a day. Once in the morning on my clean face, and then when I go to bed, I will put it on before my moisturizers. And ladies, this product works for me. It is a little bit strong, so I might use it every other day, especially when you're in the sun. But this product I really think has helped brighten my skin and gotten rid of some of these brown spots that we all might have. Or maybe it's just me. So I hope you've enjoyed my brief review of my doctor recommended and Liza recommended products. I hope you've enjoyed my brief discussion about skincare and mentioning to please get checked for skin cancer. If you've enjoyed the video, please like it and subscribe to my channel, Show Me Beautiful. I look forward to our next adventure.